the Crypto Prophets. Click on that subscribe button to enable you get notified anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, guys, let's take a look at today's video. So guys, here we are finally. And before I continue this video, I just want to make reference to this guy, to this YouTuber. Okay, now please, I'm not in any way discrediting anybody, okay, but the reason why I'm doing this, I want you guys to learn. Because you see, I love it whenever people get knowledge, whenever people are enlightened, and whenever people learn from experience. Now, take a look at this YouTuber. This YouTuber has close to 76,000 subscribers. Okay? Now, I'm not after subscribers, the Crypto Prophet, because of course, if I was after subscribers, are you telling me the Crypto Prophet cannot afford, even if it's $100? No matter how little, to run adverts? Are you kidding me? But you see, I'm not saying I'm not really interested in that. But you see, someone of my status, what are you talking about? I mean, there are certain things you shouldn't even think of that I can't do. Okay, because I've gone very far and I'm a very high personality. So there are certain things you shouldn't even think about. So I'm not after anybody's subscribers. What I'm just bringing out is for you to learn. I need you guys to learn something very important, and that is what? Knowing exactly what you're doing. Being the master of your game. That's it. This is somebody that has close to 76,000 subscribers. Very influential in the crypto space. And look at what he said. This was 7 days ago. Bitcoin short squeeze upside target. Bitcoin dropped to 58k within 5 days. And if you recall, the last video I produced, I told you guys that this is not going to happen. And I did not just stop there. I prophesied about it. From the 4th of March, I told you guys that I see some dates that the Spirit showed me. And you see, these dates pops up in my mind. I see these things as visions. It's not today. And I used to say this. I used to tell you guys this. And I told you that Bitcoin is not going to drop within 5 days. Or after 5 days, but rather it is going to pump. And I even mentioned dates, and I told you guys that from the 14th I see a portal opening, and that is going to bring about a strong rally for Bitcoin. And my words came to pass. Bitcoin pumped on those dates I mentioned. I remember I mentioned the 9th, I mentioned the 12th, I mentioned the 14th, and I told you guys, I said on the 14th a portal is going to open. And I told you to forget any nonsense any other person is saying. A lot of you listen to YouTubers, you listen to analysts based on followers. You listen to them based on the physical influence that you see. You forget that this thing is about quality. It's about who really understands the game. It's not about what you see outwardly. It's about what is inside. That's what comes from inside. That's what you should be concerned about. So you see, I, the Crypto Prophet, I am an authority in the crypto space. Whoever you are, it doesn't matter whether you're black or whether you're white. I'm a black man, a 100% black man. Most of you look at skin color. You think it's about skin color. If you try me, I would show you that it's not about skin color. It's not about grades. It's not about certificates or degrees. That's what you guys need to understand, and this is what I'm driving to you, because a lot of you're carried away by what you see. You don't look at what comes from inside. You're carried away by skin color. You think it's all about skin color, or you think it's about age, or you think it's about height, or you think it's about influence. No, it's about what comes from inside. So a lot of these people that you see, don't mind them. They have nothing to offer. So when they come out to speak, they are just speaking based on what people like to see or what people want to hear. They don't really know exactly what they are talking about. So this is just a lesson I need you guys to understand. And now look at it, guys. After he produced this video, the next video he produced, next Bitcoin daily candle open, I'm shorting the hell out of it. Bitcoin fractal. Now this guy in this video 4 days ago, he came out and said he's shorting the hell out of Bitcoin. And this was on the 14th. This was getting to the 14th of March. He said he was going to short the hell out of Bitcoin. That means he was going to, he's putting in money that Bitcoin is going to drop, and is taking massive short positions, meaning he puts in a lot of money, and a lot of his followers, I believe, they also did the same thing. Now look at it. This is 4,300 subscribers that watched this particular video. So just imagine how many people ended up shorting this call with this guy. They shorted this call with this guy, and what happened? Bitcoin didn't drop. Rather, you saw Bitcoin pumping and going higher. And after 4 days, after waiting, and Bitcoin refused dropping. This was 23 hours ago. Bitcoin bullish, BTC bullish case versus extreme bearish case and timing. Now he's changing. This is like damage control. Okay, he started changing the whole narrative, coming out as damage control. Okay, this is how they deceive you. And many of you fall victims to all these things. I'm telling you, you fall victims to all this. Look at it, look at it. This is damage control, just to cover up these two wrong predictions. And now look at this. Now the next video that was dropped, now next Bitcoin daily open will dictate Bitcoin's direction. Now he is no longer specific again. You see, this is somebody who said Bitcoin will drop in 5 days, or after 5 days, or within 5 days. I, the crypto prophet, came out and I told you guys, I said that is not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Yes, it's not going to happen, because this is close to 76,000 followers in the crypto space. So that means majority of the people in the crypto space, let's just say 20 to 30% of the people in the crypto space on YouTube are listening to this person. That's the truth, because this is not fake. These are people. This guy has been here for years. This guy has been here for years. So guys, this is just what I want to tell you. When you're following anybody, be very careful with whom you follow. Don't look at physical appearance, because sometimes physical appearance can be very, very deceptive. Now I'm going to be taking you into the charts of Bitcoin, and I'll be showing you one or two things, and after that I'll be referring you guys to an interview of the chairman of Metaterra speaking about the wale Tinubu token. Then after that I'm going to be giving you a little bit of highlights about the Bellator project, and then I'll be referring you to where you can get information from, the channel you can join. Okay, now this is all in regards to you growing up financially, and I, the crypto prophet, am an authority. So when I'm talking, I know exactly what I'm saying. This is why you do not sense any atom of fear in me. I have no fear. I have no fear for anything. Alright guys, so now I'll be playing the video that I produced. As you can see, I produced this video 5 days ago. Okay, I'll be playing this video so you guys can hear exactly what I said in regards to this this analysis from this YouTuber, so you guys can see and hear exactly what I said. Now this is my video, so definitely I can't sue myself, so I'm gonna play it so you guys can hear or can listen. Now watch this, listen. YouTuber opticalacts.com. Now if you read this, his caption, he said BTC short squeeze upside target, Bitcoin dropped to 58k within 5 days. Now this video was produced 2 days ago, and what this YouTuber is saying, he's saying that Bitcoin is going to drop down to $58,000 within 5 days, and this video was produced 2 days ago. So that means we are left with just 3 days for this his prediction or analysis to play out. And as you can see, this guy is having close to 76,000 subscribers. Now I can't play this video for the sake of copyright laws on YouTube, but I need you guys to just watch what he's saying if you have the time and you look at what he's saying. But you see, I, the crypto prophet, I want to counter what this guy is saying. And that's because I am the grandmaster of the market, as you all can see, and as you all... Did you hear that? I am the grandmaster of the market, and I want to counter what this guy is saying, okay? Listen, you can verify. If you've been following me for years, you should know that the crypto prophet is an authority in this space. And this is why I have the capacity to correct YouTubers, correct analysts. Now, you see, this particular person is having more than 76,000 followers on YouTube. But you see, look at what he's saying. And I am standing boldly I'm not hiding behind anybody's back. Like you all know, I'm a very direct person. I am standing boldly and coming out to tell you guys that this thing this guy is saying is not going to happen. I'm telling you, within the next 5 days, it's not going to happen. And I'm going to be giving you reasons why. And the reasons that I'm having and the reasons I would be pointing out to you, you can't find it anywhere else. And that's because I am the Crypto Prophet. So listen, what I share with you, you're not going to find it anywhere else. Did you hear that, guys? Very, very simple. Nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. And I said I am bold. I do not hide behind people's backs. The way you see some people coming out to speak and they are speaking in low tones and talking low. No, the Crypto Prophet goes ahead to prophesy and calls dates, calls time, weeks, days, months ahead. I prophesy and it happens. If you go through my channel, you would see it. Nothing to hide. I prophesy months ahead, 6 months ahead, 7 months ahead, 8 months ahead. That's not somebody you joke with. That's not somebody you can't just, no matter what you're thinking, you can't feel I'm saying these things as in it's not possible. How is it possible for me to be speaking so confidently about the future and I'm telling you on this date this is what is going to happen? Do you think it's an ordinary, it's just something you can get up or anybody can get up and do? Or anybody, any professor can just get up and do? No. There is something that follows the Crypto Prophet that is beyond human comprehension. So when I'm speaking, I know exactly what I'm saying. So let's ride on. Simple as that. My secrets, everything, you're not going to find it. And I'm also even going to be prophesying about dates. I'll be telling you what is going to happen. I'll be prophesying about the dates, and what I tell you is definitely what is going to happen, whether you like it or not. So if you know what is best for you, follow what the Crypto Prophet is telling you and make your money. So now let's begin. Alright guys, so you can hear that. Okay, so let's just get to the point where I went direct and began prophesying about the dates. Now once that is set, we enter into the next part of the video. Listen to when I gave this direct forensic prophecy and I spoke about these dates as the Spirit showed me. Now I would be playing my exact words. Go and confirm. This was 5 days ago. 5 days ago when I spoke about this. So I'm going to be playing what I said. So listen to what I said. It had a rejection and came up. It didn't come down. If it came down, it would have been a different thing. But in this case, it didn't go down. It is rather what? Bending upward. And someone is there telling you Bitcoin would drop to $58,000. Anyway, that's how these guys behave anyway. So now, here is it. From the 12th of March, take notes, Bitcoin would start getting more bullish. Mind you, we dropped down opportunity. Okay, we dropped down and I prophesied about these dates, but it was not on YouTube. Opportunity 9th, it's pumped up. Okay, so we dropped down, it pumped up. If you observe, Bitcoin is simply creating higher lows. Look at it. This low, or let's start from here. This is why people need to be careful with what they say. Look at this. The last drop was at around $59,000 thereabouts. From the 6th of February, the next drop was around what? $62,000. The next drop was around what? $62,000. But this one was higher than this. This was around 62 for something. This was around 63. Okay, it was around $63,000. Let's thereabouts, or let's trace it and get it more accurately. Yeah, this was at around $63,037, higher than this one. Now the next drop was even more higher than this one, at around, this was at around $65,000 thereabouts. And now this drop is higher than this one. So for Bitcoin to drop down to $58,000, that means what that YouTuber is simply saying is that Bitcoin is going to drop and take out this low, which to me or to the Crypto Prophets is absurd. That is not going to happen. I speak as an oracle, and not just that, I'm telling you that from the 12th, mark it down, I'm the oracle of the crypto space. From the 12th, you're going to see Bitcoin start appreciating. And once we get to the 14th, you're going to see a reaction. After the 14th, mark my words, from 14th and above, from 14th and above, I take it again, from 14th and above, 14th of what? 14th of March 2026. From 14th, you're going to see how strength would enter into Bitcoin. Observe and see. I am the crypto prophet. From 14th of March, observe and see. You're going to see how Bitcoin would begin, you just see some kind of strength entering into it from 14th of March and above into other dates. I've even seen 17th. Let me stop there. Look for ways to connect with the crypto prophet, Alright guys, so now if you listen to what I said in this video, I was very specific. This is how you know a true prophet. A true prophet is one who speaks and it comes to pass. He speaks about the future. And if you notice the pattern of the crypto prophet, you would see that my own pattern of crypto is 100% different. You can't find my pattern anywhere else globally. None. Check the whole internet, ransack everywhere. You can't see the pattern of the crypto prophets. Because I prophesy, I called it. This is me who prophesied about the disagreement between Elon Musk and President Trump. That video is there. I prophesied about the October 10th crypto crash 6 months before it happened. I already prophesied about it and I called the dates exactly. Do you think it's ordinary? No. There's something that follows the crypto prophets. That's the truth. If AI could do that, then, people should be billionaires now, making use of AI right now, like everybody. So, let's head on straight into the Bitcoin charts. And after that, I'm going to be talking about the Pinnick token. Guys, go watch this video, okay? Africa, here we go. You're going to find the link of this video in the descriptive part of this particular video I'm producing, okay? So you can use it for reference purposes. So you can go watch the video so you can get more clarity on what the crypto prophet spoke about 5 days ago. Alright guys, so I'll be playing this particular interview by Douglas Anderson, the chairman of Metaterra. And this is actually a NASDAQ interview on Wall Street. Okay, this is 100% verified. This is a 100% verified interview. So I'm going to be playing his interview and where he spoke about the wale Tinubu token. Now, this is actually a very big move coming from the family of President Tinubu. This is a very, very big move. This is a very big innovation. So I want you to hear directly from the CEO, from the chairman of Metaterra. I want you to hear him say exactly what I, the crypto prophet, has said directly. And this deal was closed during the last visit to Nigeria, where we all were present. We had, this was one of the major deals that was sealed before everybody left. So I'm going to be playing his interview, and not just these guys. There's something else lurking behind the corner. There's another great surprise that is coming, and this is why I am advising everybody to get into the Bellator projects. I'm advising everybody to get into the Metaterra projects because this is very huge. This is very, very big. So I'm going to be playing this interview so you guys can hear exactly what Douglas said. Listen to his words.
It's very exciting. It's called Tinu token, after the founder of a very strong, probably one of the fastest growing companies in Africa that's very successful, an oil and gas company. called Owando, and its founder and chairman and group leader is Wale Tinubu. So Tinubu token. And what this token represents is an African fund. We're tokenizing an African fund that is going to be backed by very substantial real world assets out of Africa. And the first that is going to be inside that fund is we're going to start with $200 million worth of oil reserves from Owando. Mr. Tinubu has decided to move forward on putting those assets into this fund.
Now guys, did you hear what Douglas said? He mentioned $200 million worth of assets. And if you listen to what the Crypto Prophet, has been speaking about, I've been speaking about this particular move of Tinubu. So you guys need to understand exactly what I'm saying. You can hear this directly from the lips of Douglas Anderson. And you see, there are certain things I'm not permitted to say in public. Okay, there are certain things I'm not permitted to speak about, but for now I'm just gonna walk based on what Douglas has spoken, because it goes in line with what the Crypto Prophet, has been telling you guys about. So I'm glad you've listened from Douglas Anderson. You can see that we are not joking, guys. This is a project that's going to make history. How many projects have come into the continent of Africa and into Nigeria precisely, that you see the family of a sitting president coming in officially? You can't find all of this. And these are very strong reasons. This Douglas Anderson that you see here, he's in the financial team of President Donald Trump in the United States of America. And he is also in the advisory council of the King of Saudi Arabia. This is no ordinary personality. And the Crypto Prophet, like I always say, I don't engage in nonsense. You can't find me in irrelevant projects. Whatever I do carries weight. And these projects has actually come to stay in Africa, and we are going to make it big time from this project. So if you really know what is good for you, look for ways and connect with the Crypto Prophets, because this is a high investment opportunity that you should not miss for anything. So now, how are you going to get further information? You want to be part of this project, you want to be part of the community, check the descriptive part of this video. You're going to see the Telegram channel. Click on that Telegram channel and join the community for Africa, because we're going to be making history following the Crypto Prophets. This is really going to be of immense benefits to you who is watching this video. So that'll be all for now, guys. Let's get into the next section of this video. This particular chart of Bitcoin, you would observe something very unique. Okay, now if you're in my channel, if you're in the channel of the Crypto Prophets, you're going to observe I prophesied about the 9th of March, and I told you guys that Bitcoin is going to appreciate, that I see it happening in the spirit, and that's exactly what happened. Look at it from the 9th of March. Let's calculate. Now I prophesied this from the 4th of March. From the 4th of March, I was already seeing the future, and I said from the 9th of March, Bitcoin is going to appreciate, and that's exactly what happened. Look at it. Look at the percentage of appreciation. Bitcoin has appreciated by 15%, exactly from the 9th of March, as the Crypto Prophet prophesied. I'm not somebody you mess with. Look at it from the 9th of March, and then I prophesied. I said on the 12th. Look at it, guys. From the 12th, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Let's check the appreciation of Bitcoin from the 12th. Look at it. This is not something you can hide. You can't deny this. Look at it. Bitcoin has appreciated by what? 10% from the 12th, exactly as the Crypto Prophet prophesied. Now, what did the Crypto Prophet say? He said from the 14th, he sees a portal opening, and you're going to see Bitcoin pumping strongly. And if you check, exactly from the 14th, exactly from the 14th, exactly from the 14th, look at how Bitcoin broke out. And from the 14th, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 candles straight up. Look at it. Bitcoin appreciated from here, broke up to around $76,000. That's to tell you the Crypto Prophet is really an authority in this field. By what? 8%. Exactly as I saw in the realm of the spirit. I told you guys, I said from the 14th, watch out. You're going to see Bitcoin turning volatile. And you're going to see the whole crypto space turning volatile. And money is going to come. And that is exactly what has happened. This is why you should not joke with people like the Crypto Prophets, because I see far. That's the truth. There is a whole lot of evidence. Over the years, it's not now. I have a very notable track record. Over the years, I've been prophesying. So it's not today. So this is why you should listen to me. When I'm telling you anything, please put down your head and listen to what the Crypto Prophet has to say. Alright guys, so now this is what I want to say, okay, before I end this video. Now you see, most of these crypto analysts, they do not have an understanding of the stock markets, and this is where there's a problem. Okay, this is why most of them, they just come up and start saying things that they don't really understand exactly what is happening. Okay, so if you check this chart right now, I just want to point out something very important. Now, if you guys recall, I, the Crypto Prophet, I prophesied last year, I think either October, thereabout. I told you guys that on the, is it 21st or 22nd of November, that the market is going to bottom. I gave that prophecy, and that's what happened. So now, I just want to point this out. Okay, now, if you take a look, this is the S&P 500, this is the stock markets. And there's something happening here that I need you guys to take note of. Now, Bitcoin definitely is going to drop at some point. Okay, and I'm going to be informing my premium members. Bitcoin is going to drop at some point. Okay, but I just want to point this out to you guys. If you take a look at the MACD of the stock markets, you would see that we are about having a cross. We're about having a bullish cross. This MACD is about crossing, and this has the capacity to drive the stock market up. Okay, just like we had this cross at this level. You can see these levels are really down. The last time we came down in this level in the MACD, in the S&P 500, was during the November period, when I told you guys that the market was going to bottom. I prophesied about this. And right now, guys, we've gotten back to this same level again since the month of November. So I'm expecting the S&P 500 to pump. And if this happens, guys, this is also going to affect Bitcoin. I'm telling you, this is also going to affect Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Okay, the NDX. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Okay, now this is the Nasdaq, guys. Now, if you check the Nasdaq, the same thing, guys. Look at it. Look at it. The Nasdaq is having this bullish cross. And as you all can see, if you can look at it very, very well, guys, this is even giving you, this is a bullish divergence. You can see the MACD is going up, but if you check the Nasdaq, guys, you would see that the Nasdaq has been going down. Okay, it's been going downward. So guys, this is actually a bullish formation, and I'm of the opinion that if the Nasdaq breaks out of this line, this is going to cause another strong volatility, and Bitcoin follows the stock market as well. Okay, there's no decoupling right now. So if this breaks out, guys, expect Bitcoin to pump. So I don't know what people out there, you see, these are areas people do not know about, even professionals. And this is why I, the Crypto Prophet, am a professional of professionals. So when I'm talking, I know exactly what I'm saying. Okay, but this is not how I call dates. If it's calling of dates, that one is a gift. It's a divine gift, because I see this as visions. Okay, not just in the crypto space, in other aspects of life. I have the ability to see visions. I see visions. Sometimes when I sit down, I see numbers, I see dates, I see events. That is outside the crypto space. But coming into the crypto space, that gift still follows me as well. Okay, so it's not something I am I'm faking, because definitely you can't fake this kind of thing. So that's why you see me prophesying and calling these dates. Okay, just like now, as I'm talking, I'm seeing the 30th of March. I'm seeing the 30th of I'm even seeing the 26th of October. We are still in the month of March, but I'm already telling you I'm seeing the 26th of October. How many months from now? This is the way I was prophesying about what President Trump would do. And I remember I told you guys that 2026 is going to be an oil year. That oil is going to boom. And that's exactly what happened. Look at how the price of crude oil skyrocketed. That's how I prophesied about silver. And it happened. A lot of prophecies, global prophecies that have come to pass. If you're following the crypto prophet, you're going to make money. I'm telling you, you're going to make money. And even right now, I'm seeing it that the American economy would fall. I'm telling you, go and write down this prophecy. In the last session of President Trump's tenure, the US economy will start having one or two shakeouts. I know what I'm saying. The United States economy. Now, this prophecy is coming as I'm making this video. As I'm making this video, I'm seeing it. So, let's just stop here for now. And I don't want to take you guys so far. But I am the Crypto Prophet. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below, the Telegram link below. You're going to join the Bellator channel, Telegram channel. It's going to take you there. There you would meet with you would be coordinated, you would be guided, you would receive instruction on how you can be part of this opportunity. I'm going to be dropping the next video. I'm going to be talking more about this project, okay, and more about the Panic token. But for now, let's stop here. So that will be all, guys, for now. Play safe, play smart, trade safely, and send an email, connect with the Crypto Prophet, and let's see how it goes. Thank you so much. God bless you all from the Crypto Prophets.